This video will show you exactly how to make money with affiliate marketing using a free software called Systemeio. Here's a quick breakdown of what we'll cover in this video. First, we'll ask what is Systemeio and what is affiliate marketing. Next, we'll look at how to start affiliate marketing for free with Systemeio and how to choose the best affiliate programs for your ideal audience. Then we'll look at how to create an affiliate marketing strategy for social media and how to create social media content with free software, including AI tools. Just a quick note, there are links to additional resources and tutorials in the description, so check them out, and if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe so I can teach you more in the future. Now, let's get into it. What is Systemeio and what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's products or services in exchange for commissions on sales you generate, usually a percentage of the payment. Affiliate marketing is great because it lets you start quickly and create flexible offers while managing multiple sources of income. Systemeio is a free business software that includes website and funnel building tools, blogs, email marketing, digital product and online course delivery, and more. It's a great way to start making money without having to invest in expensive software. To get started with Systemeio and affiliate marketing, use the link in this video's description to get a free copy of my affiliate funnel when you sign up for a free Systemeio account. You can customize the funnel to suit your needs and create email autoresponders to communicate with anyone who signs up for your list. Choosing the best affiliate programs for your audience means creating a customer avatar strategy. For a full customer avatar tutorial, check the link in the description, but in brief, it means asking these 4 questions. Who do you want to help? How can you help them? What products or services do they need? And how do you get them to invest in those products and services? In my example, the people I want to help are entrepreneurs, writers, and marketers. The products and services they need are marketing and writing tools and online courses or coaching. The way I'll get them to invest in that is by letting them join my free community, sharing lots of free resources and tutorials, and showing them how I use these tools and strategies to make money online. Social media marketing is the bridge between your audience and your affiliate funnel. In my example, I'll create content about the benefits of AI writing, the problems it solves, and the best strategies, tactics, and tools for online marketers to use. All of my social media content will send traffic to my landing page where people can join my list, join my online groups, and get access to my top recommended products. There are lots of free content creation software platforms you can use, such as Canva for graphic design and ChatGPT for AI writing. While these may not be the absolute best tools, they're good enough to get started for free before upgrading to the premium versions of those tools or choosing to invest in other premium tools that may be superior for your specific use cases. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, leave a like and/or a comment, and remember to share it with anyone who you want to help succeed in their online business.